In this video we will share 14 foods that will clear your respiratory system, improve breathing, and provide you with a healthy lungs. The lungs are essential for human life. They work almost tirelessly, pulling in air and dumping out what can't be used over and over, day and night. Breathing brings in oxygen and expels carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. Cleansing your lungs allow you to detox them of infection, lower the risk of cancer, expand lung capacity, and improve the health of the respiratory tract. Our lungs make up a large part of our immune system. Pollutants and infection-causing microbes and viruses are captured by mucus in the lungs, and shuttled upward by tiny cilia for us to cough out or swallow. Sneezes are another way the lungs help us get rid of infection, or pollution, often before these invaders even pass beyond the sinuses. Here is how to keep your lungs healthy. Number 1. Drink plenty of water. Water plays a huge role in health and is the base of any cleansing action. Pure clean water is essential to keeping blood flowing to and from the lungs. It also keeps our lungs hydrated and causes mucus to flow. It may sound disgusting, but that mucus is important and needs to be the right consistency for the cilia to move it, along with toxins, microbes, and pollutants out of your system. A large part of the body is made up of water. When the body is dehydrated, our bodies start to feel the effect. Proper hydration is essential for more than just lung health. It helps to remove waste from the body, transport nutrients throughout the body, and regulate body temperature. Number 2. Garlic and onions. These powerful foods are great for the heart and also the lungs. They reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and fight infection. Garlic is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. One study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention found that smokers who ate raw garlic had a 40% lower lung cancer risk compared to those who didn't consume raw garlic. Number 3. Ginger. This spice has anti-inflammatory properties and promotes the elimination of pollutants from the lungs. Ginger has a great number of benefits not just for the lungs but also for the rest of the body. Ginger can help to decongest and unclog air passages, helping to boost lung health and improve breathing. Number 4. Chili peppers. Peppers are filled with capsaicin, the spicy compound that gives them their flavor. Capsaicin improves blood flow, stimulates mucous membranes, and fights infection. Number 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and kale have been shown to pause the progression of lung cancer and cut the risk of developing lung cancer in half. They are rich in chlorophyll that cleans and builds blood and full of some very effective antioxidants. Number 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice slows the growth of lung tumors. Pomegranates contain many antioxidants including ellagic acid, which is making headway in cancer research. Number 7. Turmeric. This spice is related to ginger with many of the same benefits. It also contains curcumin, a compound that encourages the self-destruction of cancer cells. Curcumin helps to relieve inflammation and chest tightness that's associated with asthma. One study followed 77 participants, with mild and moderate asthma, who took curcumin capsules for 30 days. Researchers found that the supplements reduced obstructions in the airway and could be a complementary treatment for those who suffers from asthma. If you are enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Number 8. Apples. Flavonoids, vitamin E, and vitamin C all help the lungs function at their best. Apples are rich in all of these, and those who eat several per week have healthier lungs. Apples are rich in antioxidants which can help keep your lungs healthy. Number 9. Grapefruit. Narenin, a flavonoid found in grapefruit, colonizes the activation of a cancer-causing enzyme. White grapefruit contains a high amount of this flavonoid, though pink grapefruit has some too, along with the antioxidant lycopene. Grapefruit is especially good at cleansing the lungs after quitting smoking. The fruit is 92% water, so it's ideal for keeping you hydrated and supporting your overall health. Number 10. Beans, seeds, and nuts. These all contain a good amount of magnesium, a mineral that contributes to healthy lung function. They also provide essential fatty acids that are good for the cardiovascular system. Flax seeds are a great choice as they contain a healthy dose of vitamin E, boosting the immune system and supply of red blood cells. Try adding a handful of walnuts to your diet. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and are thought to contain anti-inflammatory properties that can help to tackle asthma and other respiratory conditions. Number 11. Carrots. These roots are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and lycopene, all antioxidants that affect lung health and lower the chances of developing lung disease. Researchers found that drinking carrot juice may help to prevent a type of damage that leads to lung cancer in smokers. Carrots are a healthy and tasty snack to eat on the go. Number 12. Oranges. Citrus is rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6. These help the lungs transfer oxygen. Oranges are full of lung-friendly antioxidants and packed with vitamin C, which is known for fighting infection and inflammation. A review of studies published in Allergy, Asthma and Clinical Immunology found that vitamin C may play an essential role in reducing exercise-induced asthma by 52%. Exercise-induced asthma refers to the narrowing of the airways in your lungs that's brought on by strenuous exercise. Symptoms include wheezing and coughing. Number 13. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is another food rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C, like carrots. Pumpkin is full of antioxidants that may help to combat cancer, in particularly, cancer of the prostate and lung. It's also a good source of fiber and potassium. Number 14. Red bell pepper and cayenne pepper. These mild peppers are rich in vitamin C and the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin. Carotenoids have been shown to cut the risks of developing lung cancer. Cayenne pepper is rich in capsaicin, which helps to stimulate healthy secretions that protect the mucous membranes in the lungs. Try drinking cayenne pepper tea. It's also a great source of beta-carotene, which is thought to reduce several symptoms associated with asthma. To keep your lungs healthy, it's important to exercise regularly, avoid smoking and follow a healthy diet. There are certain nutrients that benefit the air passageways, improve breathing, and keep the lungs healthy. By including the foods mentioned above in your diet, and following a well-balanced lifestyle, it's not just your lungs that will benefit but your overall health. Please keep in mind that while all these foods and juices may work as a supplement treatment, you should not stop taking any prescribed medication without checking with your doctor. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.